A lot of people do point this out. They're like, man, I've never, because most people don't teach this. But the reality is, see, my mom has a master's degree in psychology. And when you understand the human psyche, the way that people operate, and we're different. We're just different. You know, I was the shy kid. Okay, now go figure, I teach classes. All right, okay, whatever. But you know, even the shy kid can become a professor, right? And he can lecture from the front of the room and teach classes and so on. And so I learned how to teach. And so when I went on a listing appointment, I became a teacher. I would go with almost like a whiteboard, not quite that bad, but I would actually do a mini seminar, a 30-40 minute seminar, where I taught the seller how to get their home sold and why I was the best choice, you know? And by the end of the seminar, like we're gonna spend 35 minutes today, same thing, they were ready to go. That's why over 95% of them listed with me. Now a high D could have just gone in and said, look, I'm so-and-so, let's sign. They would have been done in 10 minutes. But it didn't matter. It didn't matter because, you know, I did it my way, they do it their way. But truthfully, my personality profile is a bit of a handicap, quote unquote, in this business. But as long as you know who you are, you don't have to have it as a handicap for you. And those leads that you're getting from RedX, they can be worked all kinds of different ways. And by the way, I'm glad you said that too, because this is something I want you guys to write down. I choose to make it fun and easy. Okay, I want that to be your new motto. That's going to be your new slogan, or at least your new affirmation. I choose to make it fun and easy. If this business is not fun and easy for you, okay, you're not going to last. You're gonna peter out. You're not going to go the distance. It's got to be fun and easy. I want it to be, Haley, when I'm 95. I'm excited, like I'm ready to go to work, you know, that day. But the only way I can do that is to wrap the business around who I am, my personality. You know? All right, so let's look at the math, guys. And okay, now we got some people going to sleep. I know it's after lunch, but let's look at the math because I'm telling you how to get $250,000. Okay, Knolly, show me. Okay, so this is a calculator. By the way, this calculator is downloadable as well on my website. If you want to go play with it, don't do it now, okay? But you want to go play with it, you can. But so this is an example. If you want to net $250,000 and your average commission is 3%, and then looking in box number 4, your average sale price is $350, okay? Then if you follow me all the way down, you'll see that you have to go to, your annual listings taken will be 28, your monthly listings taken will be 2.3, etc. But let's go all the way to the bottom. Your annual appointments required is 35. That means you have to go on 2.8 appointments a month, okay? Listen, all you've got to do to make $250,000 is go on 3 listing appointments a month, all right? And if you're doing the 2, that means you're doing 2 hours of lead generation every single day. Do you think you could at least get 1 appointment after doing 8 hours of lead gen? Yes. You can if you're doing the right things while you lead generate. Okay, I'll talk about that in a minute. But so this is a very simple calculator. Sometimes people say, well, my average sale price isn't $350. I'm at $250. Well, what can we do to get it to $350? let's not look at the problem as if it's unsolvable. Okay, I know I've got agents that I coach. Their average sale price is $800,000. They wouldn't think of taking a $350 listing. Okay, so you know this is a business. I tell my agents all the time. I say, when you get up in the morning, I want you to ask yourself this question: how can I get myself a raise today? How can I give myself a raise today? And yeah, and you can raise your sale price, your average sale price, just by, guess what? Farming in different areas and so on. I have a whole topic on that, but I want to keep things moving. But so what I want you to do for now, though, as you're following the presentation, is I just want you to write down that 3 appointments per month, you know, if you follow the math here, will get you to your $250,000. Now, I even have some people say, Haley, well, I don't average 3%. I'm at 2.5. Well, what can we do to get your average? Because my average percentage is 3.5. Okay, on my side of the deal. So there's a lot of things that you can do to bring a lot of these numbers up if you need to. But for now, just write down 3 appointments, because at the end of the day, appointments, write that word down, appointments. That's what it is all about. It's how many appointments you go on is how you're going to win this game. Okay, and of course how good you are at the appointments as well.